Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have an unboxing to do of something that I got from eBay, and it looked really cool, so let's hope that it is. So it's a Starbucks rewards, but it looks like it's from China or Japan, but let's go ahead and open it up. I was going to tell you what it is, but let me see if showing you is a better idea. Oh my goodness. So it came in this little, this is cute, just even this. And you can put a gift card on it, it looks like. So you can put a little gift card here. What is this? Oh, it's their little rewards program. And it's all written in Chinese. That's hilarious. That's awesome. Okay, so this must be something that's not, you know, a US reward, but this fits in here like this, and then you could put a little gift card behind it in these little tabs. Cute, and it says Starbucks on it. So let's open it up so you guys can see what this is. And me too. There were different ones that you could choose from, but this was the only one that this seller had. And it's not in the best shape, but, oh, it's like a sticker on here, and I'm actually able to get some of the bubbles out by just rubbing it. So I guess it's not bad shape, it's just, so it's a little Starbucks cup, has a little key ring on it, and a little hook, and a little Starbucks charm. It feels very plasticky. Has a little glittery lid. So let's see if I open this up, which I should be able to do. There is washi tape on the inside, and it's like a little cup. Isn't that cute? And the washi tape is on its own little thing. It says Starbucks on it. It has a texture to it. It says Starbucks in silver. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's why I'm telling you. And then it has the little mermaid tail. So there were different washies. I don't know if there were different cups too. And it doesn't seem like this lid comes off. It's just connected. Oh, and it does tell you on here, I think, because this has a little mermaid tail that I can barely see. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it. And it says coffee date, question mark. You know what, I think this, oh, it does come off. Okay, so it does say coffee date, and this is a stamp. Oh my gosh. That's pretty cute. Let's see how it stamps. I think I'll do it in a green, because after all, it's Starbucks, right? I'm going to try to put these things in here to hold it back a little. Okay, pick it up, and then I'm just going to stamp it on this. Oh, and I just pushed the washi out. So this, you can change the washi that's in here too. That's pretty cool. And here's coffee date. Maybe I stamped too hard. I don't know, I'm gonna practice. Well, I guess it just is gonna have the ring around it. And it's not the best stamp ever, but it's not bad. I mean, it's kind of fun. I'd put that on the, like on the back of an envelope or coffee date. Kind of fun. I'm gonna clean it. Oh my goodness. I thought I was cleaning it and it actually stamps a little bit better. Look at that one. Okay, I am squeezing these things a little bit. Maybe that's like the secret to hold it. Wow. Is it pre-inked? I'm wondering, because this is a different color than that even. Holy cow, I bet it is. That is pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Let me see if I can figure it out here. Yeah, it doesn't say to ink it. I am impressed. It somehow has ink in it already. And it probably has nothing to do with squeezing it, but just holding it. How about that? I even noticed on here that it was two different colors, and I was like, well, that's kind of weird, but I just went with it because I didn't know. Yeah, it definitely has ink in it. I mean, look at that right there. Well, that is pretty cool. Huh. So this is a kind of a cute little trinkety thing. I like the washi, and I think it's neat, but I like the whole idea of this, the whole concept. It's super cute, and this will be cute to just have on my desk. If I can find the, oh, there. So it just kind of all locks in place. That closes, and then, I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of coming up here. See how I could easily take it off. So it's not the best quality. But you can seem to kind of get the bubbles out. Just have to work with it. And it's cute. I mean, it's just a novelty little thing, but it's really cute. I do like it. I don't know that I would ever carry it around. I don't know that this is necessary. Just the little charm would be cute. Maybe I'll take these off because it does make it very heavy. But it will sit. So, yeah, there we go. It's pretty cute. I think all in all, it was a fun, decent purchase. It may have been a little more expensive than I would usually pay for something like this, but I thought it was kind of cute and I wanted to see what it was all about. And I didn't have a choice, but it looked like there were 3 different choices at one time, but this is the only one that they had left. But I think it's beautiful, so, and it's really pretty. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.